चलिए बच्चे, good morning once again. So as we have finished our syllabus, but there are a few chapters which are out of syllabus being considered by, not being considered, being guided by NCERT, like our CBSE guidelines. But as we decided, it's a better to go for all the chapters, even which are deducted, because they can be in use in one or another way at any part of time in future in any stream. So we have started ecosystem, and the last fourth aspect, three aspects we already have discussed. और वो कौन से जसवी? Which three aspects we have discussed in ecosystem? Jasveer, what are the three aspects, बच्चे, which already we have discussed? जसवीर, आवाज नहीं आई बेटे. Can you name the aspects? Okay, Ash, can you name? We did three components, three functional components of ecosystem. Did you remember anyone?
Hello, can
Hello?
you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
I have not attended some classes of this chapter, so I'm not aware of it much.
Okay, so we have discussed number one, productivity. Number two, decomposition. Number three, we have discussed energy flow, the pyramids we have discussed. And the last component which was left, that is the nutrient cycling. And this nutrient cycling, this is also termed as, this nutrient cycling is also termed as biogeochemical cycling. Let me make it the bigger screen. Other name of the nutrient cycling also termed as biogeochemical cycling. So whenever this cycling process takes place, the plants जो हैं वो, they take minerals from the soil, nutrients from the soil, then they produce the fruits, the grains, cereal, whatever the thing, we are dependent upon it. Animals are dependent upon it. Animals die, and again their body is decomposed, and with the help of those fungus as well as bacteria, after decomposition, the body is again degraded and all the minerals again replenished into the soil. So in this way, this cycling is, nutrient cycling is going on, right? So here I have mentioned the standing state, means the amount of the biomass which is present in this reservoir, and earth is considered as a reservoir of nutrients, क्योंकि earth में ही सारे nutrients they were present, they are taken by the plants, and after the death of the plants and animals, again those mineral nutrients they went back into the soil. So two types of the nutrient cycles are in your syllabus. One is called gaseous and another one is called sedimentary. So gaseous, can you give any example of gaseous? Any nutrient which is in the cyclic form, means from atmosphere to earth, from earth to atmosphere, and it is present in the gas form. Can anybody name? You have studied this since your childhood, since your grade 5, 6, 7, I think in number of these elementary classes or middle classes you have studied about. Anyone?
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen cycle, very good.
And carbon cycle. Carbon cycle.
Absolutely right, kids. So, but in your syllabus for gaseous cycle, there is carbon cycle, right? I will write here carbon. And sedimentary cycle in your syllabus, it is phosphorus cycle. Is phosphorus present in our body? Is phosphorus present in our body? Harsimran? Is phosphorus present in our body, बच्चे? What is the main component of your bones? Gurleen, unmute yourself, बच्चे. Yes, Gurleen.
Phosphorus.
Phosphorus, calcium is present, phosphorus is present, and the energy currency of our cells, ATP, adenosine triphosphate, and the phosphorus is also the component of it, right? So in sedimentary cycle, we will discuss phosphorus cycle. Let's discuss first carbon cycle. So carbon is present in the, where, अच्छा मैं नहीं अभी बताऊंगी, आप बताओ मेरे को, where is this carbon present in our surroundings? Where is this carbon present in our surroundings? Anyone? Payal, Tanisha, Nandan, Neha, Kiran, anyone? You can unmute.
In water?
Yes, it is present in water and it is present in atmosphere. And when this carbon is present in the atmosphere in the form of carbon dioxide, the green plants consume it and they perform the function of photosynthesis. But the fact is 71% of this carbon dioxide is present in the oceans, in the water form, in the dissolved, as a dissolved gas, right? But only the 1% is present in this atmosphere, which is available to green plants for photosynthesis. अच्छा कार्बन साइकिल में जरा मेरे को ये बताओ कि कैसे कैसे चल सकता है. नोटबुक्स हैं हाथ में सबके? एवरीबॉडी इज हैविंग नोटबुक? जब फटाफट से जरा रफ कार्बन साइकिल एक बना के दिखाओ. Like suppose carbon dioxide is present in the atmosphere, green plants are taking it, photosynthesis is going on, we are dependent upon plants, plants are dying, animals are dying, fossil fuels are formed, they are burnt, again carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere. So how can you form this carbon cycle? You can show me on in front of your screen, you can plot it. I'm giving you 2 to 3 minutes. So everybody please try it. And you can also, this cycle I have told you for the terrestrial, over the land. But for aquatic animals, where their shells, etc., or the exoskeleton is made up of calcium carbonate. And when it is decomposed, it is changed into calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide, right? And that carbon dioxide is dissolved into the water and it's consumed by phytoplanktons. So it is also circulating. So anyone, either in the aquatic environment or in the terrestrial environment, you can show me. Hurry up, please. You can draw the diagram if you are a very good artist. Even if not good artist, no problem. You can write in the text form. Like we have done the life cycle of malarial parasite. You can either draw or you can write the text form, and just in the cyclic form, you can show it to me here. So let's start. Let's see who makes first. So don't copy from your book, from your own knowledge. I have given you the steps. I'm not looking forward you are making a circular cycle or you are making a rectangular cycle or whatever the thing, whatever, but just I need to know how the chain you are making, how it is going from top to bottom and again from bottom to top. Ash, are you making? Nisha, switch on your camera, bache. हाँ जी, डन। चलो दिखाओ अपना अपने अपने इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर कैमरा प्लीज. Whosoever has done can start it. Be quick, please. We have to do practical also. At least one practical we need to do online. I think Ash has done. Done, Ash? Thoda sa Ash, let me focus. Okay. Okay, fine. Right, bache. Somebody else? Anyone who is comfortable to show me? Anyone? Gurleen, are you comfortable, bache? Have you done? हाँ जी, who has done, बच्चे? You unmute yourself. अपने आप को unmute करके अपने आप बताओ कि I want to show. Don't waste time. If you're not comfortable, I can put it in front of your screen. Shall I? चलिए, मैं discuss करती हूँ. So this is the diagram of carbon cycle given in your NCERT. So if you see the carbon dioxide in atmosphere, so it is present in the atmosphere. First, we started with this photosynthesis. So here the detritus food chain is also mentioned, right? And after detritus, if you can see the burning of the forest and fuel wood organic debris, it is going to the carbon dioxide in atmosphere. So if you see the photosynthesis and after that the plants are on plants, these animals etc. are dependent with the respiration and decomposition process also. The carbon dioxide in atmosphere is present. Fossil fuels have been shown, the coal as well as the petroleum. So it has been also shown like the combustion of the fossil fuels, again carbon dioxide released. And if you see these carbon dioxide in water that I mentioned, the organic substance sediments or calcareous sediments means calcium deposits. So calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide from calcium carbonate. So this carbon dioxide is again dissolved in the water, and dissolved carbon dioxide is taken by aquatic plants. And again, the same process of whatever is going on the land, it's going in the water. So in this way also, the carbon dioxide, this carbon cycle rotates. So moving next to the phosphorus cycle. So let's see the phosphorus cycle. So in phosphorus cycle, bache, if you will see, so this phosphorus cycle, this is the sedimentary cycle, means it is present in the rocks. It is very important component of living beings. So whenever in the rocks, the weathering of the soil is taking place, means rocks are broken and the soil is formed, it's raining, and then soil solution is there. And some of the salts which are dissolved in the water, they go under the water horizon where it is mentioned soil horizon, which is mentioned runoff. And certain amount is taken by the producers. The plants, they are performing photosynthesis. And on producers, consumers are dependent. Producers eventually are also decomposed, forming the detritus material, and consumers are also forming the same, decomposing, and after decomposing, they are again going into the soil, and such kind of the cycle is continued. So this is phosphorus cycle. So you need not to go in very much detail, because this is for like if by chance ये नीट वालों को क्वेश्चन इस तरह का पूछा जाता है, तो it will be asked in the form of this sedimentary cycle. So next, a very general topic, and this is the discussion topic. I will suggest everybody to unmute yourself. So like we studied the last chapter, biodiversity and its conservation, and we studied that there are benefits of biodiversity. Rivett-Poppet hypothesis we have also studied, and we said we need to conserve this biodiversity. So that biodiversity is also the part of the ecosystem, and we agree that we need to conserve this ecosystem also. There is a need of the balanced ecosystem. So what services are provided by ecosystem? So what services are provided by ecosystem? Yes, I'm giving you 2 minutes.
Air, water,
Provide wildlife.
nutrient, ma'am.
Yes.
All the
Air, air and water.
बिल्कुल सही है. So like the biodiversity, if you remember, we did, it is like we have two types of the utility. One is called narrow, one is called broad, right? So here we can also discuss the ecosystem services as the narrow utility as well as the broad utility. Narrow utility, we can also mention about the various secondary products, or you can say wood, etc. We get wood from furniture. We are getting food from our plants. That is a part of the ecosystem. Drugs, medicines, resins, gum, secondary metabolites. So all these things, they come under the narrow utility. And the broad utility means which is required for a number of our important things. And that is, you can say, the most important, oxygen from the plants. So these days, it's a special need. It is always a need, but these days, especially, there is a need of these green plants due to this pandemic. And second thing, pollinators. So these pollinators, which are the part of the ecosystem, if they are not involved in the pollination and for cross-pollinating plants, you know, it is not possible for the fertilization to be effective. And if fertilization will not be there, definitely then there will be no seed formation. And if seed is not there, and seed, you know, it is the continuity of the life of the plants, and directly, indirectly, we are dependent upon producers. Okay, bache? Fine. So these were the various ecosystem services. So with this, your ecosystem is done. अच्छा, अब अपने आप को जरा please unmute yourself. So are you people okay if with the rest of the two chapters which are additional to your this syllabus, shall I finish those one first, or shall I go with the revision part first? It's
You should go with the revision part first.
Okay. Everybody can give me this opinion.
Revision part.
Revision.
First revision. You want me to do the revision first, which is the part of the syllabus? Chalo, we will start tomorrow from the revision part. So today we need to do see the practical also, where all the videos etc. are given, so that you can go through it, and whatever the theory part or the procedure or how to perform the practical, the idea is you people are getting idea. And you can go from that side for physics and chemistry also, but please be in touch with your other science teachers also, because in my case, all practicals are not here, only few practicals are there, and 2-3 are extra practicals which we need not to do. They are not the part of syllabus. Fine. So I'm just stopping the screen sharing, and again I will start the screen sharing with that practical part. So this is is this screen available, visible to you, bache?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So this is the website, and this is by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. It is as per NCERT. So olabs.edu.in. Please note down. olabs.edu.in. You can note it down. So if I go to the home page, so these are the various subjects: physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, and English. Neha, you are having additional mathematics. I would suggest you to go through it. So it might help you because you are not in touch with the mathematics regularly. So it can help you out for understanding the concepts also. So I'm taking you to the biology class, biology practical. See the first one, study of pollen germination, which I told you previously also. This is the sure shot 5 marks slide preparation, right? So it is a 5 marks slide preparation. This will definitely be asked into your practical examination. Then studies on turbidity, pH, and microbial presence in water. This is also the you have practical in your practical lab about the soil and water. Did you, if you remember? So there is the practical. How will you check the pH of the given water samples to test the presence of microbes? So इसमें से भी question जो है like for 4 marks, either from studies on the turbidity, this one practical, or study of pollutants in air. Out of these two, one always come, always. It is a sure. Means this 5 marks will definitely come. This out of these two, the second one and fourth one, which is of 4 marks, all the time comes in the practical examination. This is the third one, study of physical properties of soil. This is not every time asked into the practical part examination, though you have to do in your file. Viva can be asked for it. So these two you need not to done, bache, because this part these two practicals are deducted. Study of plant population density by a quadratic method, study of plant population frequency by a quadratic method. So these are the two which are deleted, we need not to do. Then this is the important one, study of mitosis in onion root tip. Examiner may ask you to perform this experiment, this one, as well as action of salivary amylase on starch. The another one, 5 marks core practical. 3 core practical हमारे 5 marks के हैं, out of which one is always asked. One is DNA isolation. Second one, study of mitosis in the onion root tips, and third one, action of salivary amylase on starch. Generally, examiner asked to perform isolation of DNA because its result comes immediately within 5 to 10 minutes during conducting practical. These two, this mitosis, because it's also a lengthy process, though the result comes immediately. Salivary amylase, it's a lengthy as well as a result takes time to come. So if any examiner asks you about it, they don't wait for the result, but they definitely ask, write and perform. Fine. So I show you the first one. अच्छा अपने आप को unmute करो. Have you written in your notebooks the first one, the very first one which we did in the month of February last, when we finished sexual reproduction in flowering plants? Have you done in your notebooks or not yet? Where the nutrient medium was given? Done?
Done.
No,
Yes,
Payal has
done, ma'am.
done Nandan done. Gurleen, you have done बच्चे?
Yes, ma'am.
और किसने कर लिया है? Shall I
Done,
show?
ma'am.
Okay, I show you anyhow what are given. Then you can see the rest of them. और जो बाकी के बचे होंगे, that photographs I will send you on WhatsApp. So I'm clicking on it. So see here, the theory is also given, procedure is given, animation is given, simulator is given, video given, Viva is also given. What kind of the questions can be asked from these experiments? And it is not necessary that whatever the practical is being given to demonstrate or to perform, only examiner will ask Viva from those. Examiner can ask anything from your syllabus, from your project, from your practical file, anyone, or especially whose roll numbers are ahead. सबसे ऊपर के होते हैं कुछ 10-12 रोल नंबर्स, उनसे तो कुछ भी पूछ लेते हैं. और आफ्टरवर्ड्स कई बार क्या होता है कि थोड़ा सा टायरिंग हो जाता है या whatever the thing, तो बाद में जो आने वाले होते हैं फिर उनसे वो कई बार like they start asking this project part. So it depends upon examiner to examiner. It's not hard and fast rule कि it will happen in this manner or that manner. ठीक है? So the first theory part, we are not supposed to write anything for theory. This is just from your NCERT, all about how pollen germinate takes place. But the diagram parts are given, observation part. The pollen tube is emerging and how the emerging pollen tube is growing, and the nucleus part is shown here. Then next part is the procedure given here. Real lab procedure means whatever the material required here. Please see, fresh mature flowers, the hibiscus flower or any other flower can be given. And these are the boric acid, magnesium sulfate, potassium nitrate, as well as the sucrose. These are the components of nutrient media. The lab attendant always give you the prepared one, means he prepares for you. But exactly you need to know what amount or what weight is of each component of that nutrient medium is required, because it can be asked in your Viva. Distilled water, compound microscope, dropper, glass rod, glass slide, and fresh mature flowers. So after that, the lab procedure, the similar procedure, like these nutrients are put into the 100 milliliter of distilled water and solution is formed. Using a glass rod, stir the solution, right? And mix it well. Using a dropper, take some nutrient medium and pour on the slide. Take a mature flower, dust the pollens on it. After 5 minutes, put the glass slide. Place the glass slide on the stage of compound microscope and observe it through the microscope regularly for half an hour. Means half an hour तक जब आप regularly इसको observe करते हो, तो then what do you see? चलिए, so next इसका ये हो गया आपका actual lab process. Then to understand the performance part, if you want to see how to perform, because for the practicals where you know कि ये practical तो आना ही आना है, तो इसको अच्छी तरह से इसकी हम देख लेंगे. So animation I'm running here बेटी. So after that, you can see the simulator is also there, means virtual one. All the steps, if you will see, they have been put. So they have prepared this very beautiful manner, all this app. And this is the video, same way which I showed you. So 3 minutes video they have shown here. And here then next they have given Viva, means your MCQ type also. So what kind of the questions can be asked from you? See, right? So various resources are also given. So for each and every practical. So even if you are staying at home, you can see it. Or if you want to study something else. So laboratory manual biology or some websites, these are the all authorized websites by NCERT. Right, bache? So I'm stopping sharing it. So is it a wonderful resource? Is it a wonderful? Right?
Yes.
So from this, you are not supposed to do quadrant. ये दो आपने नहीं करने. So इसमें से whatever the slide I have shown you, 5 marks ये आपका पक्का है. ये आना ही आना है. The water samples wala, as well as the presence of the pollutants in the air, I told you, that is also guarantee. It will come 4 marks, and rest 5 marks from the core experiments. 2 have been given here. One is already there, the DNA isolation that I have shown you through YouTube also. So, but 99% chances DNA isolation is mostly recommended by external examiners for that practical. So similarly, you can go through for physics and chemistry, and you can contact your subject teachers for it, or you can go to the CBSE website to see what practicals have been deducted from those subjects also, and you can go for it. So utilize your time, bache, because aane jane ka everything time is being saved. So use maximum time positively, because during this time, see, dekho bete problems hain. It's for everyone, not for only Indians, not for only Punjabis. It is all over the world. चाहे कोई American है, चाहे कोई Britain से है, कहीं से भी है. Everybody is facing this problem. But facing problem doesn't means we are not working hard. During the problem times means whatever the hard work we were doing, we need to double it. We can, अगर हम 4 घंटे पढ़ते थे तो हम 8 कर दें. If we were studying 6 hours, तो double it to 12 hours. So self study 5 to 6 hours additional from your classes. It is very much required, very much required. And whatever the test, whatever the examinations, etc. are being conducted, make sure you are sitting for these examinations with honesty. Because during these months, if you are getting less marks, there is no issue. At least you are aware, okay, this is my weaker area. I need to study is 5-6 times this topic. I need to ask my teacher for all these things. Jitna hamara sir kha sakte ho bete kha lo. A number of times you will ask the same question. We will tell you answer. A number of times we will never say कि पिछली बार कहाँ था. We will never say. We are ready to tell you. But please utilize your time and encourage your teammates to attend classes. I got, I think, 4 or 5 messages due to the network issues. I could not attend due to network issues. I could not attend, because if we have to do the discussions now very closely, topic by topic. So then definitely on Zoom we need to discuss. Fine. अच्छा जरा unmute करो अपने आप को सारे. Unmute yourself, please. Now, please tell me revision part you want to do on live or Zoom, YouTube or Zoom.
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 Zoom पे कर लें because इधर ये जैसे मैंने आपसे I had shared screen. Here is the option to share white screen also, which is like the whiteboard, so that whatever the topics we want to discuss, we can write down important points also. Now from tomorrow, everybody is saying first start revision. Fine. So let me know what topic do you want to do from tomorrow. We will go in detail with sample paper questions, everything.
Ma'am.
Anji.
Ma'am, should we do the sample papers and NCERT simultaneously या पहले NCERT करें फिर sample papers?
We can do side by side also. See sample papers. If you are going through chapter by chapter, then sample paper benefit is which is chapter wise questions are given. But if we have to do the sample papers which are in the form of the past papers, means only the question papers, 3 hours question papers are there. Those will be beneficial once all the syllabus is done. Otherwise what will happen, or you can do one thing कि अगर आपके पास chapter by chapter वाले नहीं हैं, the complete one है, if we have done 1 or 2 chapters, then from those 10 sample papers we can isolate the questions related to those one. We can do also. So it is purely your choice. And sample paper means a number of questions are there, 500 sometimes questions per chapter are there, 300 questions are also there. Sometimes one question is asked 4 or 5 times in the different ways. So the benefit of those sample papers is that it comes to our mind, okay, this question can be asked in this manner 2 or 3 times. So last evening, not last evening, actually midnight hi tha, I was also waking. Somebody sent me a message, ma'am, after doing the extra chapters, can we do a molecular basis of inheritance first? I said, sure, we will discuss in the class I'm taking on the Zoom. So you can tell me from where you want to start. You want to start from the beginning? You want to start from the toughest one? It's your choice.
Ma'am, molecular basis is majorly problematic.
मेजर प्रॉब्लमेटिक है तो फिर हम मॉलिक्यूलर बेसिस ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस से शुरू कर दें. ईट योर डर्टीएस्ट फ्रॉग फर्स्ट, है ना. तो इसको हम सबसे पहले करते हैं. तो फिर मेक श्योर कि कल सबने मॉलिक्यूलर बेसिस ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस में डीएनए और न्यूक्लियोसोम को बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ के आए. ठीक है, क्योंकि इतना जो बेसिक्स हैं बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे से 1 by 1 each and every line you have to study it. Got my point? चलिए फाइन, थैंक यू वेरी मच बच्चे.
रिवीजन में सारे चैप्टर करने हैं.
क्या कहा बच्चे, दोबारा बोलो.
मैम रिवीजन में सारा चैप्टर करना है या सिलेक्टिव टॉपिक्स?
बेटे जैसे आप लोग कहोगे. इफ यू वांट मी टू रीटीच द होल चैप्टर, आई एम रेडी. ठीक है. इफ यू वांट कि ओनली द टिपिकल टॉपिक्स, आप मेरे को वो भी भेज दो ग्रुप में. जैसे भी आप भेजोगे आई विल प्रोसीड. ऐश मैं तेरे को ड्यूटी दे दी हूँ बेटे. ये ठीक है, ग्रुप में मैसेज डाल दे कि टुमारो रिवीजन क्लासेस आर स्टार्टिंग, मॉलिक्यूलर बेसिस ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस चैप्टर विल बी स्टार्टेड, काइंडली पुट योर टॉपिक्स. जैसे जैसे टॉपिक्स आते जाएंगे वो करते जाएंगे. ठीक है जी. चलिए, पर मेक श्योर कि देन encouraging message should be there and everybody should attend, then it will be beneficial, right? Chaliye, thank you very much everyone. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.